Most people think that mixed nuts are just boring holiday snacks that you put out for your guests. But there's a way to make them taste like those expensive gourmet nuts. This honey and cinnamon coating transforms ordinary mixed nuts into something you'll actually crave for. Let me show you how. Let's start by preheating the oven to 150 degrees Celsius. For this recipe, grab a packet of mixed nuts. Feel free to add in any extra nuts or dried fruits that you like. You also need egg, honey, salt, cinnamon. To cook, put some mixed nuts into a bowl. Feel free to add in any extra nuts or dried fruits that you like. I'll add in some toasted pumpkin seeds, black beans, and edamame. You should end up with about a total of 3 cups of nuts. All the nuts I'm using here are toasted and ready to eat. If you're using raw nuts, toast or pan fry them first. In another bowl, crack in an egg. We only need the egg white. Add in honey, salt, cinnamon powder. Give all this a good mix. Next, pour this mixture over your nuts. Give this a real good stir to make sure that all your nuts are evenly coated. Line a tray with parchment paper. Spread your nuts onto the parchment paper. Your oven will have heated up to 150 degrees Celsius by now. Put your nuts in the oven and bake it for about 30 minutes. After baking, remove the nuts. Let it cool completely and you'll get an outer layer of crunchiness. When cooled, break up the nuts and store it in an airtight container. This honey and cinnamon mixed nuts taste like those expensive gourmet bags from specialty stores. They make incredible holiday gifts for teachers, neighbors, or coworkers. Just pack them in a nice jar with a ribbon and you're done. But honestly, you might want to make a double batch because once you start snacking on them, they will disappear really fast. And there you have it, a honey cinnamon mixed nuts recipe that takes plain old boring nuts to a whole new level. If you're looking for more easy recipes that are perfect for busy people or holiday entertaining, check out the videos YouTube is suggesting to you right now. I've got lots of simple dishes that will make your life a lot easier, whether you're cooking for a family or preparing for guests. Click on any of these videos to keep cooking with me, and I'll see you in the next one.